Nest Wi-Fi 6E Pro. Alright, hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the new Nest Wi-Fi Pro. It's the latest iteration of Google's Nest Mesh Wi-Fi. It's the Wi-Fi 6E, and this came out in October of 2022. I'm using this to upgrade my existing Netgear Nighthawk router that I got probably got it like 3-4 years ago. But so yeah, I'm getting this to I've got a lot of blind dead spots in the house where I can't get any Wi-Fi and the extenders just aren't covering it. So I'm going to test this out and see how this works. The Wi-Fi Pro uses the tri-band Wi-Fi 6E. That's the 2.5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz spectrum. Each Wi-Fi access point can provide up to 2,200 square feet of coverage. This 3-pack of access points covers up to 6,600 square feet, and this pack retails for about $399.99. Let's rip into this thing. This is the 3-pack of the Wi-Fi points here. Oh, let's see. And it's pretty big, actually. It's got 3 of the Wi-Fi Pro units here. You can see it's got a got 2 LAN ports on the back here. It's got a power spot to hook up the power adapter. It's got some weight to it. So got 3 of these. Right, have some instructions in here, I believe. This does not want to come out. Safeties, warranties, and regulatory legal paperwork here. Alright, and then in this secondary chamber here, we have the power adapters for the 3 access points. And that's pretty much it for this box. So inside each of the power adapters, let's see what we got in here. For your 110 voltage here, plugs in. They didn't make these USB-C or anything like that, but which is kind of a shame, but whatever. But yep, just plugs in there. The cord looks pretty long, and that's it. So you get 3 of these three access points like this, and 3 power cords and adapters here. So, all right, I'm gonna hook this up. So I'm expecting a huge jump in performance here with the Wi-Fi Pro, and I always wanted a mesh system anyway. My house has a lot of plaster walls that are not too conducive for the Wi-Fi signals passing through, especially the higher wavelength, like the 5 gigahertz. We're gonna see how this works. This one uses all 3 wavelengths, the 2, the 5.4, and the 6, I believe. So if you got any comments or questions, just reply in the video and post your comments. I'll take a look and I'll reply. I'll give you answers to your questions. Alright, that's the Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E. I'm going to hook this up today, set these up around the house. These should improve my coverage over my Nighthawk, Netgear Nighthawk router. the plaster walls of the house really block the signal, so I'm hoping these kill those dead spots, keep my Wi-Fi connection going strong. All right, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this content. Thanks for watching. All right, I installed the Wi-Fi points about a room or two apart from each other. Put one in my office, one in my living room, one in my kitchen. Ran the test. At first I was getting a weak connection, so I moved the one in my kitchen a little closer. I believe the plaster walls were hindering that connection there. Moved the kitchen unit a little closer, and I ran the test again. After repositioning the points, I have a great connection on both the kitchen and the living room unit. This is through the Google Home app. You'll go to Google Home, then you click on Wi-Fi, and then it shows you these options. One of the options is a speed test. I ran the speed test. I got 887 megabits per second download and 132 megabits per second upload. I have AT&T fiber, got the 1 gigabyte plan. So that's actually pretty good. I ran that speed test on my phone, so that's almost at the maximum speed there. So I'm definitely impressed with that. Originally, with my Nighthawk router, I was getting something around 300 megabits per second, so I'm almost tripled the speed there. After the speed test, I had to download an update the firmware of the Wi-Fi points. The updates downloaded relatively quickly, and the Wi-Fi point automatically restarted, the ones that got the update. Also, using the Google Home app, you click on Wi-Fi, you click on devices. You can set a priority for a device if you want to give it access to extra bandwidth over your other items. You can monitor, you can check on how much data your devices are using. You can see the downloads and the uploads on on each device that's connected through your mesh network. You can see the connection rating. It's pretty cool. You can block a device. You can just click pause there, and that device will lose its connection temporarily. So it's pretty cool. I like the access. Like, the app might be one of my favorite parts of this mesh system. All right, guys. Thanks again for checking out my video on the Nest Wi-Fi Pro 3-pack here, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some of my travel videos, some of these tech unboxings, etc. Well, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and thanks for the support.